Next up, EOD for Banshee. No, this isn't the edition Tarkov got rid of, it's a task for Banshee in Grey Zone. For this, we need to retrieve the detonators and bring them back from the sawmill. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, heading towards the sawmill over here, you will need the sawmill office key, or of course, just be lucky enough that someone's already opened up the door that you need. This door is usually open as you need to come back here for quite a few quests. This is the second time we need access to the office, so you'll either already have the key, or you'll have been lucky enough to get in without the key once, so it may just happen again. There are of course other players here, so it should be relatively easy to clear out the rest of this. This man's having a swim, and let's get into where we need to go now. Heading into this office over here, the left door, you'll find that this door opens, but this one requires a key just to the left. Using the office key, we can open it up and get inside. On the desk, you'll find the detonator case. We'll need some space in order to pick this up. So preparing a 2x2 slot area, you can now see that we can pick this up, and all we need to do is take this back to base. That's it. When you get back to base, you should be able to hand in the quest to Banshee. So hand over and complete quest. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.